In this quick video, I will show you how to open your Chevy Colorado key fob so you can replace the internal battery at home. Changing the battery should take you just under 5 minutes, and the only things you will need to get it done are a coin, a flathead screwdriver, and one CR2032 battery. You can get these batteries online. If you check the link in the description, that'll take you over to Amazon, where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars if you are interested. Now, the first step here is to just look on the bottom right side of the device, right where the key ring attaches, and you can see there is a little indentation along the seam in the plastic. What we want to do is take our coin, insert it into that indentation, and once it's kind of stuck in there, we're going to twist. Now, for some reason, this particular key fob, it's very tight. It's hard to open, and I don't know, it's kind of just a bad design, but as you'll see here, mine is a little dinged up just from opening it so many times. Yours won't end up looking like this, but I do recommend you take your time and be careful here, because what you need to do is twist with quite a bit of force, and then it will start to crack open. And from here, with that little opening, I'm just going to pull it apart with my fingers. Now we have access to the battery, and we're just going to grab our flathead screwdriver. You could also use something like a bobby pin or even a pen or pencil, maybe. We just want to get something that can fit in one of these little corners around the battery so we can get under it and lift it up. Doesn't take much force at all. The battery will just pop right out for you. And now you can dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032 battery. And when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the text and the plus sign, you want to make sure that's going face down. So just set that into place, snap it in there. And now all we need to do is click the two halves of the device back together, and we are finished. I hope that video was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can always come back to this channel. We have you covered with videos of the key fobs from pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.